hit record. It's recording now. Obviously, I want to do this as a screencast, so I don't want to just have myself on the screen. So what I'm going to do instead is I'm going to go hit the share button, and I'm going to choose one of the windows that I would like to record. So I'm going to actually record my entire desktop. So I'll hit share. And just like that, you can see I do have a thumbnail of myself. I can minimize that if I want to. I'm just going to go ahead and just bring it down here. But again, this is recording what's on my screen, which includes everything here. So now you can see that I'm on the staff learning link. I can maybe direct people to some of the teaching and learning online resources and some of the videos and tutorials there. Maybe into the screencast and how-to videos, which I'm guessing you guys all know because you're watching this video. And as soon as I'm done, I can actually just go right back to Zoom by, you can see this little panel up at the top. I can stop stop the share by just pushing this little red button right here. And as soon as I do, I'm back on the big screen. And all I need to do to get this ready to send is just push the